Hello friends, so I'm doing another unboxing of jeans. So here, and I will unbox them. So let's open it. It got too wet as it was outside sometime. So they came, these are Gap jeans in size 18 and they were on sale, that's why I've got them. And they look like this. Wow, they're so huge, probably too big. Can you see? And they are short. So it looks like this. Probably have to return, but I don't know yet, because I didn't see the size 16, so I've got 18 and it was on sale and they were for 18 bucks. And this is the model Gap boyfriend mid-rise, relaxed through the hip and thigh, straight leg. They don't have secret moving pockets too. We just have this kind of pockets, which are the secret moving pockets are attached to this part, and this one's not. This jeans is not stretchable, it is 100% cotton. So it looks like this. Really light denim and not stretched. Boyfriend style, that's why they are supposed to be loose. Supposed to be loose. So the wash looks like this, as you can see. And they also have different, they don't have a zipper, they just have buttons instead. We have 4 buttons. I wonder if they will fit on me. They might be too big actually. Okay, I will try them on. See you later. So this one looks like this. They are really big on me. 18 size, but it's really big, as you can see. So I will return because I don't like how big they are. They are just too and this hunch over. This part. Now let's open them high, like so. can see they are too big, so they won't go back. They make my legs really short looking when they normally are not that short. Okay. Really big. They will be like this when I could accept it, but not like this. Yeah, I like the style, but they just not fit. Okay. So yeah, that was my Goblins unboxing. If you like such videos, then thumbs up and subscribe for future videos. See you in the next one. Bye.